Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Judge rules lawsuit related to Randolph motorcycle crash can proceed. Partner of crash victim sues trucking company. A lawsuit against Massachusetts transportation company that employed a man involved in a fatal motorcycle crash in Randolph will be going forward. Westfield Transport was seeking to have the lawsuit related to a crash that killed 7 people dismissed, but a Stratford County Superior Court judge rejected their arguments today. The lawsuit is being brought by a woman who lost her partner, Albert Meza, in the June 21st, 2019 crash. Mary Lou Welch was following a vehicle behind the riders. She said she heard a big explosion and saw bikes all over the road. The lawsuit is seeking damage for emotional distress. A memorial now marks the spot in Randolph where 7 motorcycle riders were killed. Vladimir Zazowski, an employee of Westfield Transport at the time, has been charged with 7 counts of negligent homicide and pleaded not guilty in the case. In seeking to dismiss the lawsuit, the lawyer for the company said in part, "It is not reasonable that Westfield's hiring and employment of Mr. Zosky promptly caused the collision from which her prompted emotional injury flows." In rejecting that argument, the judge noted that Zazowski's long history of motor vehicle violations include 2 arrests on charges of drunken driving. Westfield either knew or should have known about Mr. Zazowski's dangerous history behind the wheel, the judge ruled, adding that prompted negligence in hiring Mr. Zazowski was prominent cause of the collision. The trucking company also claimed that a New Hampshire Superior Court decision limiting liability to bystanders who suffer emotional harm appeals in this case, but the judge called that a misreading of the decision. The judge ruled that the person bringing the lawsuit does not have to actually witness the accident happen, but rather be close enough to hear it happen and see its immediate aftermath. The plaintiff's lawyer was unavailable to comment, and calls to the trucking company went unanswered. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.